my dear students, how are you? Welcome back to another class. I hope all are reported well. So today let's start English chapter 13 the model female life यानी कि एक मॉडल करोड़पति की एक जो नॉर्मल इंसान इनकी डाइटी की बात की रही यहाँ पे वो एक नॉर्मल इंसान होता है और वो बहुत कदर कुछ तो दान करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो एक बार एक व्यक्ति को कुछ लीड देता है दान देता है तो बाद में पता चलता है इसको कि जिसको मैं दान दे रहा हूँ ये एक करोड़पति है, एक करोड़पति भिखारी है ना। तो वो कैसे क्या आइए पढ़ते हैं इसमें। सो लेट्स बी द चैप्टर। Unless one is wealthy, there is no use in being a chubby fellow. Romance is the privilege of the rich, not the profession of the unemployed. The poor should be practical and prosaic. It is better to have a permanent income than to be fascinating. These are the big truths of modern life which Yugi Riskin never realized. Okay, so poor Yugi intellectually, he must admit he was not of much influence. He never said a billion word even on all an ill-natured king in his life, but then he was wonderfully good looking with his crisp brown hair. His bearded profile and his grey eyes, he was so popular with men as he was with women. And he had every accomplishment except that of making money. His father had the discovery sword and the history of the peninsula warring 50 more years. Yugi Ham, the first over is looking last to the second on a shelf between Ruff's Guide and Valley's magazine and lay bound 200 a year that could over and allowed him. So he had tried everything. He had born on the stock exchange for 6 months by what goes a butterside to among bulls and deers. He had been a tea merchant for a little longer but had soon tired Pico and Souchon. Then he had tried selling dry sherry that did not answer. The sherry was addicted to dye. Ultimately, he became nothing a delightful, intellectual young man with a preferred profile and no profession. To make matters worse, he was in love. The girl he loved was Laura Matto, the daughter of a retired coroner who had lost his temper and his digestion in India and had never found either of them again. Laura adored him and he was ready to kiss her shoestrings. They were the handsomest couple in London and had not a tiny kiss between them. The coroner was very fond of Judy but could not hear of any engagement. To me, mother, that to have got 10,000 pounds of your own and we will see about it. He used to say, and Yugi looked very calm on those days and had to go to Laura from consolation. One morning, as he was on his way to College Park, where the metro slip dropped in to see a great friend of his, Al Traveler, so was a painter. Indeed, 50 people scap that nowadays. But he was also an artist of leather hair. Personally, he was a strange, rough fellow with a freakier face and a dead red beard. However, when he took up the brush, he was a real master, and his pictures were eagerly sought after. He had been very much attracted by Yuri at first. It must be acknowledged entirely on account of his personal charm. So, the only people a painter should long used to say are people cohabit and beautiful people and intellectual recourse to talk to men who are dandies and women who are darling in the world. At least they should do so, however, after they go to know to be better. He liked the poet as much on his bright, buoyant spirits and his generous, reckless nature and had given him the permanent entry to his studio. Back to he kept in the found Trevor putting the finishing touches to a wonderful life-size picture of a beggar man. The beggar himself was standing on a raised platform in a corner of the studio. He was a wizened old man with a face like wrinkled parchment and a most piteous expression. Over his shoulders was slung a coarse brown coat and all tears and tatters. His thick boots were patched and hobbled and the profanely on a rough stick, while with the other he had out his bitter hat foot up. Can a missing monarch body be as he shook hands with his friend? Okay, an amazing monarch shouted Trevor at the top of his voice. I should think so, such beggars as ye are not to be bad with every day. I discovery, my friend, and the wing. Well, I squeeze my stars. What an etching Rembrandt would have made of. How easily he looks, but I suppose to you fainters his case. Is this? Oh, sure. So genuinely replied, Trevor, you got going to better to do happy to you. How far does a model get go sitting as you be as he found himself a comfortable seat Paula? They were so a shilling on Anna and how much do you that feel picture? Oh, for this I get 2,000 points. Okay, so Vinyas painters, poets, and physicians always get grace. Well, I think the model should have a percentage. Cried Mugi laughing. They work quite as high as you do. Nonsense, nonsense. Wallow at the trouble of flat knee on the pain along and standing all day where they once is a very well beautifully top it to Tom. But I assure you that there are women's in enormous cakes to the dignity of handle level. But your muscle, chatter, alarm will dizzy, smoke a cigarette and keep quiet. After some time, the subject came in and told Trevor that the frame maker wanted to speak to me. Don't run away, Hoodie he said as he went out. I will be back in boy. So the old beggar meant advantage of Trevor's success to this poor woman on a wooden pants that was demanding. He looked so full and blessed that Hoodie put on help fitting in and felt in his pockets to see what money he had. All he could find was a sewing and some purpose. Poor old fellow, he thought he would sell. He wants it more than I do, but it means no and some for our phone night, and he walked it from the studio. I slipped the socket into the blazers. Old man started and a fake smile fitted. I paused his bitter flicks. Thank you, sir, he said. Hey. Then Trevor arrives and Louis Kisby, blushing a little and what he had done, he spent the day with Dora for a charming, scolding. Food is extravagant and had to work more. That night, we strolled into the Pete Club about 11 o'clock. I'd found Trevor sitting by himself in a smoking room, drinking pop and says, Okay, well, Alan, could you get the picture finished all right? He said as he lit his cigarette, finished a friend my boy answered Trevor, and by the bite have made a conquest that own model he saw, he quite the barbecue, unlike Sterling, all about you, who you are, where to live, what your income is, what prospects you. I should probably find him waiting for me when I go home, but of course you are only joking. Poor old wretch, I wish I could do something for him. I think it is barefoot that anyone should be so visible and what he support clothes at home. Do you think you would care for any of them? Wise niche belly were falling to bits, but he looked stranded in them, said Trevor, I wouldn't pay and will fuck for anything. What he called likes, I thought were max. What seems poverty to you? This picture signifies to me, however, I will tell him of your offer. Let's said in this seriously, painters are partless law. And artists, your artists, like Trevor, and besides our business is to realize the world as we see it, not to deform it as we know it. Everything to be straight and now. Tell me how Laura is the old woman was quite interested in her. You don't need to say talk to it about her, sighed Bookie. Certainly I did. It was all about the relators colonel, the lovely Laura, and the $10,000. You told that to a beggar or my private affairs. Slide you he buried that at LA. And I do beggar tha calicula beggar, a crorepati digla. And I might eat twice at Trevor Smiley, called beggar as you call him, is one of the richest men in Europe. We could buy all London tomorrow without overdrawing this account. मतलब वो कल को एक लंदन खरीद सकता है पूरा बिना अपने अकाउंट को देखे हो. He has a house in every capital. That is a bold plate and can clear it Russia burn to go when he chooses. What on are they be? Exclaimed Yuki. What I said, said Trevor, the old man you saw today in the studio was Baron Osborne. He is a great can of mine, buys all my pictures and that sort of thing, and damn near proficient. A month they good to pay him as a. It is a bare one of a millionaire, and I must say, he made a magnificent figure in his legs, on or perhaps I should say in my rags. They are in old soup I got in Spain. Baron Posber cried what happens I very Vasodal and he sank into an armchair the picture of Desi. Gamed in the sober shouted Trevor and he was into a Roro captor. My dear boy, you will never see it again. His business is with other men's money. Idea Myra told me how excited it is of and what have it been made such a pool of parcel. Well, to begin with, to gaze at Trevor, it ever entered my mind that you were about disturbing ons in that reckless way. I can understand you kissing a pretty model, but you give it a so for an ugly one by Joe. Not besides the fact is that he was not at cook today anyone and when you came in I even know whether husband would like his name mentioned. Say oh he was not could rest. What a duffer he must think me say फिर ये अब वो क्या कहता है शिकता बंदा पर नहीं है वो बंदा है गरीब लेकिन है नहीं वो करोड़पति not at all he was in the highest spirits after due lack kept chucking to himself and rubbing his orbital hands together. I couldn't make out fine he was so interested to know about you, but I see it all now. He will invest your sovereign for you. You will pay you the interest every 6 months and have a capital soon to thereafter. Dinner. I am an unlucky rebel, goody. The best thing I can do is bye. And my dear I and you mustn't tell anyone. I shouldn't dare show my face in the war. Nonsense. It reflects the highest static on your philanthropic spirit, Judy, and Oprah away have another cigarette, and you can talk about Laura as much as you like. However, Judy wouldn't stop, but brought home feeling unhappy and leaving Ali Trevor in fits of exclaiming as he was a breath at breakfast. The servant brought him up a card on which was written, Monsieur Dusev Naudin Deda, Par de Mere Baron Husband. So I suppose he has come for an apology. है ना कि वो apology यानी कि सो माफी मांगते हुए आ रहा है but said maybe to himself and he told a subject to show the visitor up. And old gentleman with gold spectacles and grey hair came into the room and sang in his night French saying, have I the honor of addressing Monsieur Erskine? You be bore. I had come from Barrel Oswald. He continued the bat. I beg, sir, that you will offer him my sincerest apologies, stammered a said the old gentleman with a smile has commissioned me to bring you this letter and he extended asking it envelope. On the outside was written a 80% to Yungi, Ruskin and Laura Nato from an old beggar and inside was a check for $8,000. Okay, when even married Trevor was the best man and the better paid a speech at the wedding breakfast. So millionaire models, they mark Aaron, are they are enough. But by job, model millionaires are rare still. ये स्टोरी उसी पे बेस्ड है कि कैसे वो भले वो करोड़पति था लेकिन इसके कुछ रूल्स कुछ उसके मैनर्स थे तो बहुत ही सिंपल लाइफ को जीता था. So everyone, the chapter is in there. I hope you are a very well on this simple chapter. We will get to the next class. Thank you.